An amazing resume is a must-have for the employee who wants to stand out among job applications. Today, we will learn how to create a resume in Excel. First, set the page size. Head to the Page Layout tab and set the page as A4 at size. Then select the default Narrow at margins. Step 2. Decide where to arrange your texts. Before setting the area, click Page Break Preview in the lower right corner to change the view mode, so we can better understand the sector locations for the subsequent operations. Here, we only need 3 columns to create an amazing resume. Don't forget to adjust the column width for columns A, B, and C. Then, enter subtitles for different sectors. A resume can be divided into 5 parts: personal information, educational background, working experience, skill sets, and self-evaluation. Now, we have formed the content structure of the resume. Step 3. Enter the text. Different information needs to be displayed in different sectors. Take working experience as an example. Enter the duration, company name, and position. Then, you need to list what you are responsible for and merge cells if the contents extend beyond the cell border. A blank line is normally left to beautify the layout, and then working experience is placed below. Let's enter the remaining information using this method. Step 4. Beautify your resume. We need to make the resume more structured and well-focused. Let's adjust the alignment of text and set different font sizes for subtitles. Only the first subtitle style has to be specified, and then you can double-click Format Painter in the Home tab to easily apply the same format to subsequent subtitles. The same methods can be applied to highlight the text contents. By doing so, the contents will have layers, making it simpler for the interviewer to grasp the primary concepts. Skill bars can be inserted to demonstrate our mastery of certain talents. Step 1. Click the Insert tab, select a shape, draw a suitable rectangle, and then hold down Ctrl-Shift and drag this rectangle to the left so that you can copy the same rectangle in the horizontal direction. At this time, the newly copied rectangle will overlay the original one. Step 2. Fill these 2 rectangles with different colors. Choose a darker color for the newly copied one, and choose a lighter color for the original one, so that we can tell the HR our proficiency with different colors. Finally, select 2 rectangles and click Group on top to group these 2 rectangles. Then, you can copy the skill bar directly. When you need to adjust the proficiency level, dragging to change the length of the rectangle will work. Finally, click Picture in the Insert tab. Find and double-click your photo on your computer and insert it into the resume. Click Crop on the right side of the picture, where we can customize the picture into the shape we want and adjust its size and position, and this resume is finished. Step 5. Adjust the display and format of the resume. Since we have finished this resume, click Print Preview in the upper left corner to confirm whether the resume is completely displayed on a piece of paper. If not, we need to click Fit Sheet on one page at Print Preview, or go back to the table and readjust the row height and column width. After adjustment, in order to prevent typographical disorder, we'd better turn the finished resume into PDF format. Click Export to PDF in the Tools tab and click Export to PDF to get a resume in PDF format. Finally, let's print it out using the shortcuts Ctrl-P. Now the resume is ready to be sent. Did you get it?